Hello, I'm Dave, and on this video I'll be sketching Tanjiro Kamado from Demon Slayer. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now and click that bell for notifications. So this is going to be a pretty in-depth sketch. I started out with like a little bit of a light circle for where Tanjiro's head is going to be, and then just kind of worked off of that. Now you can see right here I'm just kind of placing where the sword is gonna be, but I did a very light sketch underneath that that initial circle that I did. So this first circle is just like where the head's gonna be placed, and then kind of built now I'm building the face off of that. So you can see that like that line that's going across underneath the face, that's going to be like the top part of the shoulder. Right now I just drew the eyebrow and then the nose right here, and this is the mouth, so the teeth. Kind of like an action shot where Tanjiro's like exposing their teeth and using the sword right now. And with this anime, there's a lot of detail in this character. Now you can see the eye, the right eye. I'm getting the detail there. Now back to the now onto the left eye with the eyebrow, and just some action lines all the way around. A very intense look here. So once I got the top eyebrow, now just down to the bottom part of the eye. Now the inside of the eye. And a little bit of that, like the forehead scar. And now the hair with the left ear. Now I can't pretend I have seen the show. I haven't, but this was a request from somebody following the channel that I do a Demon Slayer drawing, so I will be doing more Demon Slayer drawings along with this one, just so you fans out there, you could see how if you want to draw this character, you could kind of follow along on this, and then just, you know, have a drawing of your own for your own favorite shows. So definitely make sure you're subscribed so that you could see when I drop those other videos. This one's gonna I'm working on the hair right now, and then I'm coloring in like the shadow part of the hair with the dark part of the pencil. So this video I'm just drawing with the number 2 pencil, and that's why it's just a sketch video. So you'll see just a lot of coloring in with the pencil itself. I'm not going to put any color on this one, but I will do so in other videos. So yeah, this one is just, you know, it's real simple. If you have a paper and a pencil, you could just kind of join in and do this one. Just working more on that hair towards the that left side right there, and getting all those shadows in here. Just right above the left eye. I might do another video where I kind of go a little bit slower and kind of just give you all the steps on this, but this was pretty complicated, more complicated than I thought it would be initially when I started planning this drawing, and but then when I started working on it, I realized there were so many details. Very well done character. So there's just a lot of detail in here, but if you could follow along with this, that's great. And now I'm working on the clothes. So like this is the back side of their clothes right here, and it's checkered, as you know, so it's gonna so I'm gonna color in like the dark checkered part, I'm gonna color that in with the darker part, like just with more pressure on the pencil, and then I'm gonna leave the green parts kind of blank. And so now coloring that in with like a cross pattern. So when I color it in with that cross pattern, it's basically like horizontal lines to cover it up, and then vertical lines to fill in the gaps. So now, yeah, continuing with that checkered pattern. And just connecting all those checkered lines. I want to do that first before I start coloring them in. And now just that part's just a little bit of shadow right there, so I wanted to get rid of that hard line that I put. Just put a soft shadow there. And coloring in now that checker. And finishing the rest of the arm now that leads up to the sword. And I'm gonna definitely be doing a painting of this Demon Slayer. So this drawing here kind of got me it got me a little practice on the character itself, but also it did kind of get me you know, looking forward to this painting, because I got some ideas now, and I like I like a good action shot here with this character. So yeah, definitely make sure you're subscribed so you can see when I make that video. And now finishing up the sleeve all the way up to the hand. I didn't like the placement of the sword after I did all the other detail, so I just used my eraser and you know, got rid of some of those lines so I could just redo it, reconnect the hands to see where everything's going to be placed. And then from there, where I see the hands connect, that's where you see I'm doing the circle now for like the head of the sword, like the handle of the sword. And now once I got those lines inside that sword, now I could work on the blade and place it like just it's not like too far off from where I had it. It's just a little bit better placement, and getting some shadows in there as well. Yeah, finishing that shadow, and then going back to the eyes and just kind of going back to the character, like just some of the details in the face. Just I'm making them darker now because I'm more committed to those lines. I did initially, when I was drawing it, kind of go a little light, and then I went a little darker, but I didn't like go as dark as I was, you know, went now for the eyes. And finishing up with those the checkered on the clothes, darkening those up, going back and darkening some of those checkers. And here we go, Tanjiro from Demon Slayer. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below on what your favorite anime character is.